the Appraisal Connector, in this tutorial video on how to set a goal on Appraisal Connector. Firstly, locate the Journal tab at the top of the page. Click on Journal, and when the journal opens up, you can scroll down to the My Inquiries/Goals area. To set a new goal, please click on the New Inquiry Goal button. When the next page opens up, you'll see that you have the ability to do some reading about the differences between goals or inquiries and look at some examples. You then have the ability to set a new goal. To do this, you click on the New Goal link. You then get the ability to construct different types of goals. You can construct a SMART goal, a GROW goal, or you can construct your own goal using a blank template. We will choose the blank template today. We click on that link, a box opens up, and we type in our goal. If you wish to keep this goal ongoing over multiple years, you would tick the ongoing box. You can then choose categories which you wish this goal to appear in to other staff members in your organisation. So in this case, we're going to choose curriculum and curriculum design are the two specific areas today. You can then choose to share this goal across either your whole organisation or centre, just the people you've shared your journal with, just some people you've shared your journal with, or nobody. In this case, I'm going to share it across my organisation. And then we click Save Goal. Once you've done this, you will see that the goal has been saved and you have the ability to create a goal plan. We have some helpful tips about why did you identify this as a focus, initial first steps, and many others. To create the goal plan, you can go down and click Create Goal Plan. If you wish to choose an existing reflection as this goal plan, you can do that, or you can come back and do it at a later date by clicking Not Now. Today, we are going to create a goal plan by clicking the Create a Goal Plan link. First thing you'll see when the page opens up is that the title is the actual goal. You then have the focus areas automatically filled in within the reflection text box. You can then go down and type in your goal plan. You can bold or italics, you can load in live URL links, upload photos, insert videos, and many other features into this inquiry plan. You can then put in a follow-up date from which to remind you to reflect again on this inquiry. You can attach files, i.e. PDFs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or videos that support this goal plan. You can then choose who sees this goal plan. Everyone you've shared your journal with, specific people, or nobody. In this case, I'll share it with everyone. You'll see that your goal has been automatically tagged, and then you may go down and choose which of the standards for the teaching profession, Tā Taiako, Code of Professional Responsibility, key competencies, and values you wish this particular goal to relate to. You then scroll up the page and you click the Save button on the right hand side. Your goal will now save as displayed here. If you now click Journal at the top of the page and go down, you'll see that your goal is now sitting under the My Inquiries/Goals section. To edit this goal, delete this goal, or to make any changes to the plan, you may just click on the goal. If you wish to get rid of those options, you just click back on the goal and they will disappear. I hope this tutorial has been beneficial in teaching you how to load a goal into the Appraisal Connector. Thank you.